Hey guys, we are here today at Lennar Homes and we're going to check out this house and we're going to see why they separate themselves from the rest. Let's go check it out. You're going to want to see this until the very end. You don't want to miss out. Okay, we are here with Lennar Homes. I'm here with Ann and she's going to explain to us a little bit about this unique home and what sets this home apart from the rest. So, yeah, hi.
Hi, so this home is the Ventana floor plan. It's a next-gen home, so it has a built-in casita. Basically what the casita has is it has a bedroom, living space, separate AC unit, and a laundry room. It's built in, but it's totally separate as well. So we have one left in this community, but we do have other next gen. So the Ventana is not the only next gen we have. This is just one of them. This home specifically is the model home, but we do have one for sale. It is priced at $519,990, and our interest rates right now is at 3.99, and we are also offering closing costs of 2 to 2.5%. As well, with the 3.99% for FHA and VA buyers.
Okay, great. And then you have different communities in Tucson, right?
Yes, we do. Basically, we have 11 communities, Lennar communities in Tucson. We have them at Star Valley, Corona de Tucson, MARANA, VAIL, and SAHUARITA.
Okay, great. And these prices range, right? They're starting in the low 200s, right?
Yes.
And then it ranges,
all the way to sevens,
so, yeah.
high sevens, but the lowest ones we have, right, are at a Red Rock, around 240s.
Okay, great. All right, and then it varies, like the square footage too, the sizes, like from, what's your smallest size?
Smallest size would be around 925 square feet, 2 bedroom, 2 bath, and this is the Howell floor plan located in Red Rock.
Okay, great. And then it could range like how many bedrooms are we talking about here? Like the amount of bedrooms?
Oh, yeah.
Like the size of it, like up to 5 bedrooms, 6 bedrooms are you talking about? Or?
Yes.
Okay, great. Okay. All right, so we're going to take a look at this home here so we can show you the casita attached to it. So think about it, guys. 3.99%. Think about it with the casita, what will that do? You know, it's a great investment opportunity. So we're going to check it out.